You already know over 1000 Italian words even if you have never studied it in your life. Most learners waste time memorizing vocab they'll soon forget and miss the fact that English and Italian actually share thousands of words just waiting to be recognized. As a neurolanguage coach and university lecturer, I have helped hundreds unlock fluency by spotting these hidden patterns. So in this video I'll show you 3 simple tricks to instantly recognize over 1000 Italian words, no memorization, no grammar, no stress. So let's start simple. Step number 1, ending change. Many English words become Italian just by changing the ending. How many? This is where it gets interesting. Vocabulary experts found that up to 40% of the words in a foreign language text can be recognized if the learner understands basic cognate patterns, especially between related languages like English and Italian. It's like English and Italian are built from the same Lego blocks. Same base, just slightly different shapes or color. For example, the English ending city often turns into Italian TTO, act, atto, fact, fatto, contact, contatto, and ly usually becomes mente, rarely, raramente, possibly, possibilmente, probably, probabilmente. You already know these words, you just haven't seen them dressed up in their Italian clothes yet. So next time you spot an English word with one of those endings, try converting it yourself. Chances are you'll nail it. A quick test. What's the Italian for perfectly? That's right, perfettamente. See, you are already thinking in Italian. Now, even if you can guess some words by changing the endings, have you ever noticed how some Italian words feel instantly familiar, even if you have never studied them before? That's because English borrowed over 60% of its vocabulary from Latin, the mother of Italian. So when you learn Italian, you are not starting from scratch. You are actually tapping into entire word families you already know without even realizing it. So step number 2, Latin twins. These are called the Latin twins and they are everywhere. English words ending in tion, T-I-O-N, have their Italian twin in zione, and it's generally a female Italian twin, just so you know. Emotion, emozione, station, stazione, attention, attenzione. More, English words ending ture, T-U-R-E, they end in tura in Italian. Structure, struttura, nature, natura, culture, cultura. Studies show something fascinating. When words share both forms and meaning across languages like these Latin twins, your brain accesses them faster and remembers them better. But here is the best part. You don't have to memorize these words. You just start noticing them. They are hiding in plain sight in books, news articles, even scientific terms, comics, everywhere. The more you spot these Latin twists, the more Italian vocabulary you'll naturally unlock. Now, even if you have spotted these Latin twins before, there is a more powerful shortcut hiding right inside everyday words. This is where the magic happens. When you master just a few simple transformation rules, your mind starts predicting the Italian words automatically. So step number 3, the vowels. For example, the English ending al often turns into Italian ale, final, finale, original, originale. OUS in English, in Italian will be oso, famous, famoso, curious, curioso. I see in English, in Italian, ico, classic, classico, electric, elettrico. It's not about cramming lists. Learning is about training your brain to see the code. Now, that was a lot, but if you are really serious about learning Italian faster and smarter, this video will show you how to go even further. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!